So as you can see, I've opened up the target. Earlier on I was pulling these down to get them out a little bit straighter, because obviously they've been compacted, you know, when they've been folded. So I think first of all what you have to do is just really stretch these out before you do all your shooting. So then it will have X marks the spot for your 10, and then your 9, 8, 6, 5 and 4. So your aim point is your centre of mass. Obviously it's going to be hard to do the scoring, you know, on this type of thing, but at least you've got a focus point. So, and then I imagine when I start shooting it down range with the chalk balls that I've got, and hitting them, and you'll be able to see where you the chalk balls are going. Also, it's designed for airsoft, so 6mm ball bearings. On the back of the bag packaging, it does state no lead BBs, no air guns. So this is just purely for T4E and for airsoft. I've got a few airsofts as well, so I'll may use it on that. What I might do later on is to see if I can attach a paper target in here as well, so then that way, you know, you'll be able to do like a proper set of scoring on types of targets that the UBC do as well. But for now I'm just going to concentrate on the target and for all these. So I'll now go and get the T4E Glock set up. See you in a minute. So I've adapted the target 10th now to hold paper targets. All I've done, bulldog clip, and I've attached it into these loops. So what I'm going to do now is go back and try the T4E. This way it's retrievable, so if you want to do scoring like we do, you've got the paper targets there. So that worked great. Nice big holes. Bit of a widespread, but I'm happy with that really. Just testing. So that's worked. So I've done a few more paper targets. I've used the speed challenge target on air. I also, what I've done is the strips. I've clipped those over to the sides as well. So it's just paper target, and then you got 2 curtain baffles. That way, you know, with the strips hanging down, it was, you know, I could see it, so I just wanted the paper target. So, you know, I've clipped those there, so they're out of the way. Grouping could be better, but that's down to me. The actual target setup itself, none of the balls came out, so everything is contained into there, so that is good. That's on the plus side. For me personally, I'll be keeping these bulldog clips in, and I'll just be using the paper targets, because with the strips, they're good, and they cushion like what they're supposed to do, but you don't get a proper sight picture on the actual target that you want to do. With this way, you can put your own paper targets on there, obviously A4 sizes, but with the UBC, all our targets are A4 anyway, so this setup is perfect for us, and it's so easy to do. So on the whole, excellent. all I need to do then, once we finish, take this off, fold it all up, put it back in the bag and store it away. So then it's easy to put it away, and if you go to the gun range or whatever, it's you know, it's easy to pack. There's loops here. I've used the one here to hold the bulldog clips, but that's where you can hang, you know, hang it down, support it as well. So you know, you can leave it on the floor, or what I've done is I've put it on a raised bench. So portable, adjustable, and then just added our UBC take on it. So yeah, you need to come out into the shops and get yourself some. I'll probably do another video when I get my airsoft air guns out and give it a whirl with the airsoft as well. So happy days, thank you.